Ghana is a nation located in West Africa, recognized for its political stability, cultural richness, and varied landscapes. Referred to as the gateway to Africa due to its hospitable environment and strategic travel connections, Ghana stands as one of the continent's most influential and peaceful countries. Dr. Gloria Nemo, a nurse practitioner based in New York City, has made significant contributions to global health, particularly in Ghana. Dr. Gloria Nemo exemplifies compassion and dedication in global health, especially through her impactful work in Ghana. Dr. Nemo is the founder and CEO of the Amazing Grace Children's Foundation, a 501c3 nonprofit organization that provides healthcare services to underserved communities in Ghana. Her commitment is rooted in a powerful philosophy: no woman should face the shadow of death, nor should any child be lost due to poverty.
Dr. Gloria, how you doing today?
I am feeling excited.
Feeling excited? Where are we today? Where are we right now?
So today we are at Princess Marie Children's Hospital, the only children's hospital in the greater Accra, which serves over 30 million people.
Wow.
And today we are here again to bring them some toys for those children who are spending extended amount of weeks to months here so that they can have a toy to keep them company.
Okay, fantastic. You gonna lead the way so we can show them the toys?
Let's go.
All right, let's go.
Through the Amazing Grace Children's Foundation, Dr. Nemo has forged a path toward transforming healthcare access for vulnerable populations. Her efforts resonate across sub-Saharan Africa, addressing disparities that have long hindered progress in maternal and child health. By championing healthcare equity, she is not only saving lives, but instilling hope and resilience in entire communities. Her vision extends beyond immediate care. It is about shaping a future where every child thrives and no mother is left behind, creating a legacy of generational health, empowerment. Dr. Nemo's dedication to philanthropy, strategic vision, and unwavering commitment to healthcare accessibility establish her as a prominent figure in global health leadership. Her efforts serve as an inspiration, demonstrating that with determination and persistence, substantial progress can be achieved in addressing the challenges encountered by vulnerable populations worldwide. Eta Phi Sorority, Incorporated, a professional nursing organization, has a long history for being involved in international endeavors. For members of Eta Phi Sorority, Incorporated volunteered to collaborate with the Amazing Grace Children's Charity to embark on an international service for humanity mission to Ghana. Dr. Jamerson Holloway, Dr. Akia Blandon, Dr. Selena Gillis, and Dr. Tiffany Redwood each participated in this international collaborative opportunity. National President Dr. Sarah Killian says, as professional nurses, we stand united in our commitment to caring with compassion, collaborating across communities, and serving with purpose. Together, we strive to bridge the gaps in access, advocate for the underserved, and champion health equity for every human life, especially our Ghanaian friends and families. Eta Phi Sorority, Incorporated is a shining testament to the power of unity in nursing. We are the champions for making the impossible attainable and possible, and volunteering our service for humanity is expanding our circle of light, love, and caring. Service for humanity, a call to be part of something greater than oneself, where service, sisterhood, brotherhood, and excellence come together to uplift communities and elevate the nursing profession. Education holds significant importance for children in Ghana, both on an individual level and for the nation's broader development. In Ghana, schooling extends beyond classroom instruction. It serves as a vital mechanism for fostering opportunity, empowerment, and societal advancement. School teaches values like teamwork, respect, leadership, and civic responsibility. It empowers especially girls, giving them knowledge about their rights, health, and futures. A more educated population helps reduce corruption, inequality, and social divisions. Ghana's future depends on the skills and talents of its youth. Educated citizens are key to growing Ghana's economy, advancing technology, and solving problems like climate change and unemployment. Investments in education are seen as investments in the country's long-term progress. For numerous children in Ghana, attending school signifies an opportunity to influence and determine their future prospects. Even in rural or low-income communities, school offers a sense of structure, purpose, and possibility. In Ghana, as in many countries, school is not just a place, it's a promise. A promise that every child can learn, grow, and become someone who contributes to their family, their community, and their nation. Dr. Gloria Nemo is the president and founder of Amazing Grace Children's Charity. Her mission is to ensure that the most disadvantaged populations, particularly children residing in Ghana, have access to high-quality healthcare services. She's building a children's hospital in Ghana, and the Amazing Grace Children's Charity Organization invites you to visit agccharity.org to find out how you can assist in changing the lives of children in Ghana.